Okay, so we're gonna be going down this alley called the Street of the Green Windows. Verdes Janelas. And it's right down this one. We're on Janelas right now, and this is kind of the cross street. So before we go down, we're gonna put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And this is gonna be our target street. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is Verdes is like the herbalist street. This is the green windows. Janelas Verdes. We're gonna show you what it looks like. Now they have a restaurant inside, and this is also new. So the last time I was here, there's a few new things that weren't here before. That sign that says Manila says Macau. That's our target street. And as you can guess, the green windows are directly in front of us. Got some artwork in here. Huh. It's like looks like a bottle family. It's like 3 bottles. Okay, so these are the green windows right here, and I believe that this is what the street is named after. And then now there's also some restaurant in here as well. So that was there before COVID, and then it ended. And these are the green windows, which is what the name of the street is. The name of the street is Green Windows, and these are green windows.
起码有200年以上。
Oh.
200年以上。
Yeah, for this one.
200年以上。
So let's see. So you got okay. So yeah, sounds good.
Yes.
So it kind of has a cool name. So we're gonna keep on walking down, and then so the name of the street is Green Windows, and we have some green windows. And then this is all the restaurant that was this restaurant. It's pretty busy in the evening, and our street's gonna end right there. But before we do, we just go all the way down. And I don't know if this is all part of it too, but I see some green windows at the end, so I just want to capture that. So that's kind of interesting. You got like green windows up there as well. I think that's part of a, we're gonna see. We're gonna go on to the other side and see what that one is. So okay, so this is basically like a little bit of an alley. Yeah, maybe let me know what that guy said. I'll try to translate it later with audio, but I can't do it live when I'm filming very easily. Right there's the name right there, and there's actually a little bit of history right here as well. So it says stone tablet, 1873, commemorate this neighborhood. So there's some information. Portuguese and Chinese inscriptions, rare artifacts. And then across the street, this used to be a pharmacy, it looks like. And I think this is some historical narrative as well. But that's our target street there. Let's see. And then I just want to see what that golden color one is as well. So when we were walking, we saw when we got to the end of the alley. I'll show you when we get up there. So that alley ended right at this building. So when we're on that side, we came, and then this is where it stopped. I think that this used to be like a Vietnamese, still is. So this one, I think is like a massage place, and it connects into the alleys in the back. But anyways, we're gonna end our video. So that's the backside of the Janelas Street.